Big Machines, Diggers by David and Penny Glover. Diggers are big digging machines. They dig deep holes and long trenches at building sites. Diggers are also called excavators. Diggers sometimes do other work too. This digger is clearing garbage from the sea. A digger picks up a load in its bucket. The bucket is made from strong metal so that it does not bend or break as it lifts. The bucket is shaped so that it scoops up soil as it turns on the end of the digger's arm. A digger doesn't just dig holes. The driver can change the bucket and attach a clamshell bucket or a grapple to do different jobs. A clamshell bucket is useful for loading a pile of soil or stones onto a truck. A grapple has 4 or 5 curved spikes like long teeth. It is useful for picking up big rocks in a quarry or garbage at a dump. The digger's long arm is called the boom. It swings and bends to move the bucket to where it is needed. The boom has joints like a human arm. Your arm has muscles. A boom has hydraulic rams. Hydraulic rams make the forces that bend and straighten the joints. Some diggers move around on tracks. Tracks give a good grip on rough ground. They keep the digger from slipping as it scoops up its load. Each track is a loop of metal links. Other diggers have wheels. When a wheel digger is working, it must put down legs to keep it from slipping or tipping over. The engine is the part of a machine that makes it go. A big diesel engine powers a digger. The driver fills the fuel tank with diesel. The diesel burns inside the engine, making hot gases. These gases make the engine work. The digger driver sits inside the cab. Buttons and levers work the different parts of the machine. A digger with tracks does not have a steering wheel like a car. 2 levers change the speed of the tracks. The driver can turn the cab around to move the arm to a new place. The digger picks up a load, then swings it around to the back of a truck. Sometimes a digging job must be done in a small space, such as a backyard. Then a mini excavator is used. Mini excavators can drive through a narrow gap between 2 houses or turn around in a small room. Giant diggers work in quarries and mines. They dig out rocks from huge holes in the ground. The rocks may contain metals and other materials. This is the biggest digger in the world. Its job is to dig up sand in Canada. The sand contains oil. The digger is called the RH-400. It could pick up an ordinary road digger in its gigantic bucket.
Hello, my name is Ricky Martin. I run a heavy construction company. We move dirt for a living. We're trying to build the site for people. This particular job site is going to be houses. There's going to be 91 houses built here. So what we're doing is we're preparing the ground for the houses, and we are building the roads, doing road control and other things as well. behind me and listen, you can hear the backup alarm, several pieces of equipment running. We're going to talk about a few of the pieces up close and a little bit about what they do. So we move dirt by the cubic yard. This particular job has roughly 120,000 cubic yards of dirt to move. That would be equivalent to 1,200,000 wheelbarrow loads. So that's a lot of dirt. If you look at this piece of equipment here, this is the back end of an off-road dump truck. You can see how big it is. They load the dump truck, excavators. This machine holds 30 tons, and this thing will probably run about probably 10 loads an hour, moving dirt. Bed raises up, dumps the dirt out the back. It's called an end dump, and 6-wheel drive in case it gets muddy, and it can move a lot of soil, a lot of rock. So this is a pretty neat machine to have. There's one running we'll look at a little closer here in a few minutes. This machine over here is a Caterpillar D8 dozer. It's made to push things. It pushes dirt, pushes rock, pushes scrapers. Scrapers are dirt moving pieces of equipment. But this thing has a ripper on the back. The ripper is made to rip hard ground, rocks out of the ground. You can see the size of the ripper shank. It penetrates in the ground sort of like a plow, and it pulls out. This one you can run more than one shank at a time. This machine weighs about close to 90,000 pounds. It's very strong for what it does. All right, this is another type dozer. This is the D6T LGP to be exact. But this machine is a grading dozer. It has a 6-way blade. That means the blade is straight and it can angle in all different directions to grade ditches and flat areas and anything you need to grade off. The pole on the front is called a mast. It has a satellite receiver on it. It receives satellite signal. We have a base up here, and all that works together with a computer screen inside, and that shows us the grades on the job that we're at, shows us where the roads are, the house pads are, pipes, anything we need to work with, shows where everything's at, so that we can grade it without having to get out of the machine, check grade, it can show you with the blade. So all that is new technology. It's been out for several years, but it is what I call new technology, and it works very well. It makes the job go by faster and more efficiently. But again, it costs a lot of money for that kind of stuff, but it has a good return. Over here we've got a fuel truck. We use the fuel truck to keep the equipment full of fuel. That truck holds about 3,500 gallons of fuel. We'll use that on this particular job. There's about 15 pieces of equipment out here. We use that fuel truck every 2 weeks, and it'll have to be filled up again. This is a pan or scraper, and it's made to carry dirt that the dozer pushes, loads it from the bottom side. So the dirt goes in the bottom up here, and it forces it up full. And when it's full, the operator takes drives the machine out to wherever he needs to dump it, and that big gate up there shows the dirt out, and that dumps the dirt, and just makes continuous cycles doing that, and it's the fastest way to move the dirt, most efficiently. This machine right here, empty, weighs 70,000, loaded it weighs 120,000 pounds. So if the ground's wet or soft, it doesn't work very well, but if the ground's solid, which is what they want anyway, it works very well. This is our lube truck. With all these machines running, you have to keep them maintained, keep them greased, keep oil in them and antifreeze and transmission fluid, all such things as that, air for the tires. This truck has all that on there, has all the oils and the water and the antifreeze and the air compressor. This is how we maintain our equipment on the job site, keep it going. And every day when they get here every morning, they check the oils and grease the equipment, and it's ready to go, and they run all day with it without any problems, hopefully. And then next morning, do it all over again. And then when the machine does break, we try to fix it here on the job. If not, we'll have to haul it out to our shop or somewhere. But that is kind of the lifeblood of our machines right there. So here we got an excavator loading dirt onto a pan, which we can top load pans or bottom load pans, which is about being pushed. But top load pan, cutting this field, looks like we're cutting about 6 or 8 feet deep right there, cutting the cutout, and we're using the field over here with this other dozer building a house pad. There's a truck there, that's the same size truck that we looked at earlier today. It's hauling the dirt, it can haul 30 tons. That's the one hauling there. Compactor up on the hill, that packs the dirt, makes it tight, so it's got to be a certain tightness or compaction in order to pass inspection so that you can properly build on it. Otherwise it won't hold up the house or building with a seat or would crack the foundation or whatever. So with us placing it in lifts, which is small thicknesses, and then the compactor runs over to back it down tight, and just keep doing it up to get to the grade you want it, or the height you want it. How we move dirt. This is one way of moving the dirt. The other way is usually the dozer to push the pans or push the dirt themselves. And this one too is a efficient way of moving dirt. But again, I like the pan and the dozer, it seems to be faster. But with it being soft, I can tell by the way it looks with the dump truck going soft. It's better to use the off-road truck. That bucket right there is 7 feet wide, and it holds 5.5 yards. About 5 buckets fills up the dump truck, and about 6 buckets fills up the scraper. This is how we move dirt. Pretty much this is our episode for today. And I hope you enjoyed it. And come out sometime.